Hi everyone! Friends, in this video I will share with you a strategy that, based on the proven indicators, will help to significantly increase your earnings. I would like to especially note that there will be no clever manipulations or fake traders offering false signals and incorrect strategies for binary options. We will focus on an approach that really works and is suitable for all types of trading, from high risks to quiet earnings. Let's start with a simple and clear strategy aimed at increasing our deposit. To implement it, I recommend allocating 3 minutes for our time frame. The investment amount for each transaction should be from 1 to 5% of the total balance, which in my case is $1,000. Now, let's get down to business. Today, I'm working with the indicator RSI. It signals overbought and oversold zones. I will work on 2 platforms to diversify all our transactions and videos as well. All platforms are proven and an indicator that will never let us down. Let's get started and try to earn together. First trade. So, these trades today will be interesting. I decided to diversify them. I will work on 2 platforms. First of all, I look at what I have on the new platform according to the RSI indicator. Note that the line is moving up and is located in the overbought zone, and therefore we will open this trade for $1,000 for 3 minutes on the downside. The trade automatically closed, and I want to note that the price didn't move far from the entry point. Despite this, our balance was replenished by $840, which is a pleasant addition to our capital. For the first trade, the result is quite good, especially considering that we're just starting this journey. It is important to remember that stable growth is the key for success in trading. So, let's not stop there and continue moving forward, exploring the opportunities that the market provides. Our next steps must be carefully thought out in order to get even more income. Second trade. We look closely that on our new TV platform, analyzing the current data, our main indicator today shows almost the same position and actions as in the first trade. Noting these circumstances, we understand that it is better not to ignore the situation and take advantage of it. Therefore, without thinking for long, we decide to open for a decrease. It is important to remember that such opportunities can lead to positive results, given our experience and current market trends. Being proactive means acting based on reliable data and analysis, which will ultimately help us achieve success. I look forward to how events will develop and what result this decision will bring. The balance is plus $850. We didn't deviate far from the first transaction, and the price also remained close to the initial entry point. Overall, the transaction turned out to be good, allowing us to accelerate all transactions today and prepare material for the video, which can be considered a normal result. Third trade. So, I'm looking for a suitable form to start our third trade. I'm running from one platform to another and analyzing the price. Our trade will be down again. Our indicator is walking and showing its movement continuously from bottom to top and is located in the overbought zone. We open. The trade is closed. As a result, I will say here that during the trade, the price moved interestingly, and it even seemed that the price would go far from the entry point. But in the end, it returned to it and our trade closed at 0. We are not upset and move on. Fourth trade. This trade will also be for a decrease. The moving average line of our indicator Showing trends informs that it is better to open for a decrease again, which will lead to a more successful trade. In general, the trades turned out to be good, allowing us to accelerate all the trades today and prepare material for the video, which can be considered as a normal result. So here, the price has gone quite a bit from the entry point. Our balance is plus $640. Not as much as in the previous ones, but still not nothing. I think it's a good result. During the trade, the candles changed their color from green to red and vice versa. As a result, the trade closed on a red candle. Fifth trade. Our fifth trade, it will be bullish trade. For a long time, I could not decide what to open on, but in the end, I chose a good indicator. Our moving average line is located in the downward movement, which also indicates the opening of a bullish trade. Let's not wait and open. It was a good trade. Our balance is plus $740. During the trade, the candles were only green. This is very good. Overall, another working strategy and earn money in the wallet. 7th trade. Our moving average, located in the oversold zone, indicates that the trade will be opened on the rise again. Given the current market conditions, let's fix our entry point, remember the price, and then carefully monitor the development of the trade, assess the risks and possible fluctuations. Understanding that such caution is extremely important in trading, let's not miss the opportunity to analyze the changes that occur on the charts in order to react to the situations that may arise. Keeping our attention and concentration, we will be ready to adapt our strategy depending on what is happening in the market. Watching the price movements, we will try to extract the maximum benefit from this trade, acting according to the pre-established plans. The price, which didn't go far, nevertheless didn't prevent us from earning plus $740. The chart showing several price reversals ultimately didn't let us down, and we closed in plus. Analyzing the price movement, we were able to make informed decisions, maintaining confidence in our actions. Each reversal on the chart reminded us of the need for a careful approach, thanks to which we were able to avoid mistakes and implement our forecasts. In the end, the trade, which was so successfully completed, became a confirmation of our strategy and ability to adapt to changing market conditions. 8th trade. RSI indicator shows its line in the overbought zone, and this already indicates that it is necessary to open bearish trade again. Our candle is now red on the chart. Remember our entry point and open. We wait for the end of the trade and draw conclusions. Compared to the first trades, the price from the entry point went down normally. Also, to the balance plus $740. This chart showed us only one price reversal for the entire period of the trade. And this was our final trade in profit. Thanks to everyone who watched this video to the end. My strategies worked. They were quite different, but all were in profit. Thanks to everyone. See you soon. Subscribe and like. I'm waiting for your comments.